Hey guys, sorry, maybe I should fucking start this video without a fucking candy con chile in my mouth. But today I'm gonna try to attempt this tutorial by Fashion Wizardry. They made a like really huge t-shirt into a dress, so that's what I'm gonna try to do today. I don't think the shirt I have is big enough, but we're gonna do with what we got. So all the thrift stores are closed and I'm depressed, so let's get started. I kind of underestimated how much smaller my shirt was compared to hers, but it's okay, we're gonna work with it. This is like a, excuse me sir, can you move from the set please? Boy, look, he's digging his fucking little nasty toes into my dress. Boy, I haven't even got a chance to wear this out yet. We've been stuck in quarantine. Since this is like a high neck dress, the titties are like probably up to here, so maybe that's as high as I'll go. Hopefully the dress is not that short. The only problem though is that this shirt has a zipper and I don't know what to do. So I cut out the form or the template. Honestly, it looks really cute like this, and like you just add like some little sleeves, like some micro sleeves like this dress has, but honestly that's not really my style. And then I'm gonna try to cut a straight line right above where the zipper starts so I could keep the zipper. I'm trying my best to keep the zipper. And then we're gonna cut out the titty parts. Okay, so I measured 2 centimeters from the middle, and then we're gonna trace out the bra from there. She said to use a good bra, not a raggedy bra, but bitch I'm broke, so the Target bra it is. And yeah, we're just gonna trace around here and then cut it out, and we'll see what happens. This is my first tutorial watching of hers, and yeah, usually I never make whatever tutorials I watch. I watch a lot of tutorials, like I watch with Wendy, I watch Mikara, I watch so many sewing people, but I never make anything they make. But this dress was hella cute and I was like, fuck it, I've been wanting to try, so here we are. We got our titties cut out, and then alright, we could just put the back on, sew it, and we're done. No, I'm just kidding. I wish I could walk around with my titties out. There's a raccoon on my dress, so while it sleeps for a little bit, cocktail break. Don't look, sweetie, you're not old enough yet. I never tried this, I don't know what it is. It says 3.2% alcohol, so you know, I'm gonna be sober still. Tastes like juice. There's literally a guy like passed out on the carpet in my living room right now with his ass out. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the guy. And don't you drop my drink. This boy always dropping my drink. You know, just to be safe, I'm gonna put it on the desk, because that's how he broke my camera, because he dropped my drink on it. Let's see if this guy doesn't wake up. I was kind of playing music loud before I started recording right now. Okay, retreat, retreat. Okay, so I'm sure we need 2 layers of this because we don't only have 1 titty. And bruh, what the fuck am I gonna do? I don't have any fabric. So I ended up having to murder both of our sleeves, but it's fine. We have a lot of scrap fabric, so hopefully we can make the sleeves later. Now it's time to go to the sewing machine. Oh my god. Okay, so I never do fucking zigzag stitch, so I did it really badly, and like I finished the titty bags. I don't know why mine look like more round and hers looks more ovally, but when we attach it, we'll see. It's already fucking 8 p.m. I don't even know what time I started this. Like, it feels like forever. But we're almost done. Hopefully we don't have to make no modifications. Hopefully that's it, because I'm tired. Oh my god, guys, I'm almost done with this dress from hell. I just gotta sew the back on and then make the sleeves, and then hopefully I'm fucking done. It's already 9 p.m. My back hurts. I feel like a grandma. I finally finished. Oh my god, you can't see. I finally finished this fucking demon dress. I did not think it was gonna take that long. I haven't tried it on yet. I hope it fits. If it doesn't fit, I might be mad. Oh my god, there's a guy coming. Okay, let me just mind my business. Oh, he went across the street. You see? Okay, I thought he was coming. I got scared. It's Lady Gaga.